Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on the video. And my name is Yashika. I'm the owner of Stargrads. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply my beautiful toppers to your graduation cap. And also just kind of give you an overall look on what to expect when you get your order. These toppers are very, very, very beautiful and you are going to steal the show. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here's the topper. It comes with a center hole cut. You're gonna just go ahead and pop that out, and you're gonna set that to the side. And then what you're gonna do is actually put your focus towards the graduation cap. Right now, if you have the tassel on the cap, right now is the best time to go ahead and remove that. You do not want your design to lay over your tassel. And the next step is just to make sure that your cap is in the right position before you put your topper on. So what I do is make sure that the cap front is facing away from you. The front of the cap needs to be facing away from you. So you're going to lay that flat. And you're going to go ahead and just lay the design on there. We're not going to stick anything on it just yet. This is where everything is looking beautiful and kind of just helps you get a feel of how you're going to put the sticker on. You're going to go ahead and peel the back paper from the design and be very gentle to not mess up the edges of the design as well. You're going to go ahead and reveal that adhesive and be very gentle when doing this part. And then we're going to go ahead and lay that on top of our graduation cap. And don't be afraid to go ahead and, make sure you adjust it the way you want it to look. And then we're going to run our fingers across the edges of the graduation cap just to secure everything and make sure it looks nice and seamless. Okay, go ahead and add our tassel back on there. And this is the part where you are actually ready to walk the stage. If you want to, you can add center hole cut. That's it. You're all done. You have your beautiful, beautiful topper. You are ready to walk the stage and steal the show. Congratulations to all of the graduates out there. May God bless you, and I hope that you guys fall in love with these designs just as much as I enjoyed making them. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and don't forget, after you receive your order, to leave a review. Bye!